Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete duplicate photos and videos on your iPhone. If you have a lot of duplicate photos taking up storage space, Apple has a built-in feature that can automatically detect them and help you clean up your Photos app. So, let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 16 or later, because the duplicate detection feature was introduced with iOS 16. To check for an update, open Settings on your iPhone. Now, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install the latest version of iOS. Once your iPhone is updated, open the Photos app. Keep in mind that your iPhone doesn't always detect duplicates immediately. It may need some time to scan your photo library, especially if you have a large number of photos and videos. Now, tap on Albums at the bottom of the screen. Scroll all the way down until you reach the Utilities section. Here, you'll see options such as Imports, Hidden, and Recently Deleted. If your iPhone has detected duplicate photos or videos, you should also see an option called Duplicates. Tap on Duplicates. Here, your iPhone will show you the photos and videos that it believes are duplicates. You can review them individually, or if you want to clean everything up at once, tap Select and then choose Select All. Now, tap the Merge option. Your iPhone will combine the duplicate items and keep the highest quality version while removing the unnecessary duplicates. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.